Hey everybody, Darth Cards back again with another vintage football video. On that last episode, we pulled a Joe Montana and Barry Sanders, or no, Bo Jackson, but neither of them were the ones we were looking for. We pulled we pulled the record breakers, which are about $45 in a PSA 10, but we're looking for different versions of those cards. So let's go ahead and get a couple packs and start breaking into them. Roland James, Tom Thayer, Frank Reich, Mike Merriweather, Rocket Man Mark Carrier, All-Pro Albert Lewis, All-Pro Sean Landito, Andre Waters, Perry Kemp, Harris Barton, Tim Ryan, Ryan Cox, Peter Tom Willis, rookie, Rob McGovern, Haywood Jeffries, and Amel Owens. Starting off with a Webster Slaughter, Mike Schuler, Lionel Washington, Lewis Billups, Bengal, All-Pro Keith Jackson, Hall of Famer Jack Lambert, Mike Singletary Crunch Crew, Steve Sewell, William Howard, Mark Ingram, Eric Green, Ronaldo Turnbull, class of 1990, rookie Aaron Wallace, Sean Jones, Terry McDaniel, and a Leonard Griffin. Next pack. Starting off with Mike Ripon, Freeman McNeil, Ken Sims, Chris Martin, All-Pro Keith Jackson, Hall of Famer Jack Lambert, Mike Singletary Crunch Crew, Gary Zimmerman, Ricky Sanders, Troy Benson, Greg McMurtry, rookie, Blair Thomas, 1990, class 1990, Keith McCants, class 1990, Maurice Hurst, Bucky Scribner, Rob McGovern. Starting off with Bruce Colley, got a Leonard Marshall, Michael Copper, Robert Lyles, John Hand, Ray Horton, Ground Force Otis Anderson, Crunch Crew Derek Thomas, Hall of Famer Franco Harris, Deron Cherry, Norm Johnson, Eric Martin, class of 1990 Eric Green, Laurie Butler, Eric Green rookie, Tracy Rocker. To end that pack off. Troy Stratford, John Hector, Kevin Mack, Lawrence Tillman, Mike Schuler, Lionel Washington, Otis Anderson, Ground Force, Derek Thomas Crunch Crew, Hall of Famer Franco Harris, Perry Kemp, Alfonso Kerker, Tony Jordan, class of 1990 Eric Green, class of 1990 James Williams, Jimmy Jones, and Fred Strickland. That's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.